Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew.
Hi kids, let's do the poem. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Now let's do some meanings. Bird, a type of animal that has wings, beak and feathers and can fly. Hop, to jump over. Stop, to bring to an end. Tail, the part of an animal's body that extends from the animal's back end. Window, an opening in a wall where glass is put so that people can see outside. Now let's do some synonyms. Little, tiny, hop, leap, cried, sob, shook, shiver, roof, ceiling. Now let's do some opposites. Enjoy, dislike, cry, laugh, stop, start, going, coming, out, in. Join, separate, over, under, now, then. Right, wrong, roof, floor. Now let's do some question answers. What did the child see? The child saw a little bird. What was the little bird doing? The little bird came hopping to the window and then shook his little tail and flew away. Now let's see some interesting fact. Do you know birds like penguin, ostrich, kiwi and emu cannot fly? With this, we come to the end of the session. In the next session, we'll do some more exercise from the same poem. See you guys. Bye-bye.